Good morning guys, good morning. Time check, it's already 8:50 in the morning. I'm just gonna show you my view, the view of my house, the view of my accommodation, and it's directly facing to what we called the White River Nile. So let's go. Let me show you. Please join me. Tara. Oh, ayan oh. May bintana ako dito. Lahat may bintana, lahat na side. Then, oh, the tripod. Yes, look at that. That is my view. Aha. That is my view. Yan yung, that's the White Nile River. And then, these are my neighbors here. Ayan. Ganyan yung accommodation. So, same as with me. So, parehas kami lahat ng accommodation na ganito sa tent. And 2 beds din siya. Lahat. Wait lang. We need to lock kasi ang daming unggoy. So, kailangan natin i-secure yung mga gamit natin kasi marunong yan silang mangnakaw ng mga gamit. So, ang gagawin natin today is I have not fully decided yet kung anong gagawin natin. Though, my plan is to check out yung bungee jumping and also yung kayaking. So hopefully if I manage to convince myself to do the kayaking and to do the bungee jumping for sure, because that is a little bit tricky, but yeah, I need some encouragement from myself. Yeah, apparently it's very shocking because walang tao. Like, ito yung accommodation ko, guys. This is my accommodation. Ako lang yung nakatira. And then sa kabila parang parang minimal yung mga tourists. Ang sabi nilang this time medyo mahina yung tourist. One time sa una at pangalawa kong visit dito, puno lahat. Ang daming tao, busy, crowded. But today, parang walang tao. But yeah, I'm excited kasi we're gonna do some adventure today. And this is the breakfast. Punta tayo dyan. I'm ordering breakfast now.
I like your shirts.
Thank you.
It's got a nice pattern. Can we swap?
Okay. Let's morning.
Are you rafting today?
No rafting.
No. Okay.
I'm done with that.
Okay. We have got some
Thank you.
fruits and tea and coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. And then for the mainstream breakfast, yeah, Eric will take your order.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah. Definitely. I arrived very late.
Oh, very nice.
Look at this. Amazing. It's so quiet. Magkape muna tayo, guys. Ito po. Alfred also to come.